my ear.
Whoa!
Oh, yeah. That's good.
It's good.
There you go.
Gotta make dirt hurt. Right? Yum! Be gentle. Oh, yeah.
Right. Try.
Hey, Aria. Hi, Aria. Hi. You're such a good girl. Hi, beautiful. Hi. Hi. Wait. I want to say hi to Aria before you take her away. I think it would probably be a good idea if we did that.